Hi, Matt Lathrop here. Thank you for watching this video. I get a lot of questions from clients and people calling with questions that haven't asked me to be their lawyer. And the question I get is, if I'm in a car wreck and it wasn't my fault, doesn't the other guy have to pay my bills? And if he doesn't have to pay my bills, who's going to pay? So here's the answer. And it's a short one. We have more details, but this is the short answer. If you're in a car wreck and the other driver is at fault, he ultimately is going to have to pay those bills. But I'm going to tell you, his insurance company is not going to agree to pay those bills. His insurance company is going to hold that over you, is going to use those bills as leverage to force you to settle quickly or to settle cheaply because they know you can't leave those bills hanging out there. So what do? This is what we tell our clients in this office. We're going to use the insurance that you have to pay the bills now. We're going to get you the care you need. We're going to make sure the care isn't interrupted because you don't have money to pay bills. And then we're going to pay those companies back. Those insurance companies are going to get paid back at the end of the case when you recover from the other driver. And that's called subrogation. I have a whole nother video on that. You can check that out and learn about paying back insurance companies. So what we do in our office to handle your medical bills is first make sure that your bills are submitted to any health insurance, Medicare, Medicaid, any other policy you may have, veterans benefits that will pay your bills. We get those paid. They have great discounts. They have contracts with the providers so that you are going to pay less for that care than if you paid it out of pocket or if we use the other driver's insurance. If there's any out-of-pockets, co-pays, deductibles that you have to pay, the next step we want to do is use your medical payments coverage on your car insurance, your own insurance. I have a whole other video that talks about the difference between liability and insurance that you buy. We're going to use the insurance you bought, medical payments coverage, and we're going to pay those deductibles and out-of-pockets so that you don't have bills hanging out there and you can get the treatment that you need from the providers you choose and you want when you need it. You don't have to interrupt your care and you get all the care you need. And lastly, what we will do at the end of the case is we will make sure that the other driver, when he's ready to settle because you've had all the treatment you need, that other driver pays you back for among other things, pays you back for your medical bills. We'll get those bills reimbursed and we'll take the money from your settlement and we will reimburse your insurance under the subrogation provisions of health insurance, Medicare, Medicaid, and MedPay. That's what we do in this office. We handle all of that medical bill stuff, so all you have to worry about is getting better, getting back to work, and putting your life back together. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or this creates other questions for you, send us an email, give us a call. We're happy to talk to you about your case, and if you have an automobile case where you've been injured, give us a call and we'll be happy to talk to you at no cost. Thanks.